Hello, everybody. I'm Senior Airman Vab, the Secretary of the SEER Association, and we're here at the 2024 Fairchild Air Force Base Sky Fest. Who I have here is Wade Warfield, Class 9701.
That was also Ice Storm 96 survivor right here.
And Wade is going to give us a small presentation on 3 of his favorite POW artifacts.
So from World War II, you had literally hundreds of thousands of prisoners of war that were captured by the Axis powers. And the Allies, wanting to build up a resistance in those POW camps, came up with some wonderful concepts to help those POWs escape. And one of those was contained right here in a Monopoly game. So what the Allies would do, specifically the British, is they would hide maps inside the Monopoly boards, and aircrew were briefed that to look for a dot on the free parking. And if they found that dot, that means that map would be hidden inside that particular game. And I was very fortunate to come across this particular Monopoly set that was actually issued to a POW from World War II. And it still bears with it the markings of the German stamps, clearing it to gain access to one of the Stalags. With a map, you're often going to want to have a compass. So something else the Allies did is they would send POWs razor blades. And certain razor blades would have a series of arrows on them, and those arrows would be magnetized. So the aircrew were trained that if you were to put this in a cup of water, those arrows, Germans would think would line up with how you'd use it inside your razor, would actually rotate and point north since they were magnetized. The final thing I'll talk to you about is this letter here from a Lieutenant Zimmerman. And just after D-Day, he wrote a letter to his grandma. And within this letter, he talks about how he is limited to the amount of postcards and correspondence he can send out because of the Geneva Conventions. So these are just 3 of my favorite items that happen to be on display here at the air show this year.
Are you guys gonna hop in? Okay. Stop recording.